Lately I've been working on some little gifts. It's really a busy birthday season for me at the moment. So what I did was invest in some blank little cosmetic bags that I found on Amazon. If you're interested, I will put a link underneath so that you can find them. So they were in two colours, and I wanted to make them into cosmetic bags as little gifts for people. The first, I wanted put your best face on, using images and fonts from within Cricut Design Space. And then I quite like the music theme for some friends of mine who were really into music, so I've gone with I Love Your Smile. So those are what I'm making today. It's iron-on because the blanks are not right, they're not polyester, so they won't work with sublimation. Because these are canvas, cotton canvas, they'll work with iron-on, but they won't work with the infusible ink. So they need to be polyester for that. So I'm gonna have a trial run with these and show you which images I chose and how I went about it and how you can make these yourself. Let's go. Here we are inside Cricut Design Space. The first design I'm going to be making is for the black bag, and I want to put a legend on there that says put your best face on. So I've selected a couple of face images from within Cricut Design Space. These are them. So I'm now going to have a look for the text that I will like, and I want a nice sort of happy text or font that's going to read well for the iron-on. So it's a matter of having a look through, see what I like. I'll try that one. This is called Magnolia Sky, which is actually one that I have purchased. So we'll just play about with the spacing, see if I'm happy with it. And yeah, it's okay, but I think I might try something else. Yeah, I like this one. This one is a script font, nice and rounded, and I really quite like this, so we'll try that. The font I did choose is called Market Street Fonts, and it's the paint can. There are 3 or 4 of them which you might like. There's no point buying fonts if you're not going to be using them often enough to make it worth your while. So just have a look at this line spacing again, get it to how I like it, and we'll see which one of these face images works best. Because this is a first attempt, or it would be a first attempt at layering iron-on, I'm not too sure about this particular face. So let's just change the colour, because I know that the colour that's going to go on to both of these cosmetics bags is going to be different, so it doesn't matter what I set them here really. But looking at these layers, 2, 3 layers, 4, 5, so there are 6 layers to this one. Even if I decide that I'm going to remove a layer or 2, just ungroup them and have a look. So for example, look at that, and what I've got is something that, for my skills at the moment, my skill level as a relative newcomer, I think this could be a little bit too complex for what I'm after. and I'm not sure it's my first choice out of these two images here. Even reduced down to those layers, it's not working for me. So this one's a no. Go over to this one, which has this nice okay, which goes well, I think, with the put your best face on okay. I'm liking this one. Make it all the same colour. Yeah, okay. The next one. I've gone with a musical theme of I Love Your Smile. I don't know if you remember the song by Shanice back in the early 90s, I think around about 1991. And we've got the perfect one here with I Love Your Smile. And it's a really catchy, lovely song. Really happy, which is what I'm after. So I'll choose that one. Have a quick look, see if there's anything else I might like. But to be fair, I think I found the perfect one. Yep, nothing else grabs me. We'll go with that. What I've also brought in, because this just reading I Love Your Smile reminds me so much of the song, is some musical notes, musical symbols. So I found some I like. I'm just going to make sure that these are aligned and group them. Well, attach them, because I want this to come off as one design. And the same with the first one, the put your best face on. Get them aligned horizontally, attach them so it'll come off in one piece when I go to the maker. And adjust the size. The cosmetic bags I'm using are 8 inches wide by 4.5 inches deep, so I want this to sit quite central onto each one of those designs, each one of those cosmetic bags rather. And just get this one to the height and width that I want. Perfect. We can go over to the maker. Canvas rather, and I've been struggling, I'm still struggling. I will hope to find some that are in polyester but that look nice. I'm finding polyester but not particularly liking it to use infusible ink on, and I don't really want to pay Cricut's prices. So what I'm going to be doing is using iron-on, and I have two fantastic colours. You're going to love these. Isn't that just awesome? That green is amazing, and on the white a nice glittery black lettering, really, because it's got the black zip on, and I want to keep that as a theme really. This is from the most amazing set that I got. I didn't realise how great this set was. The colours, again, Zwanza. I'll show you a link. Look at these awesome colours. I mean, if you want a bright pink, look no further. Those are going to look fantastic on t-shirts, which I'm going to be making as part of the Advent calendar. So we've got the blacks and then, you know, the golds, which is fine. But look at that green. It's so vibrant and so lovely. And wait for it. Wow. I know, I'll find something amazing to use that for. Maybe additional cosmetic bags. olive lilac. I just think this is the most wonderful set of colours that I've seen so far. And the other set, where the black glitter came from, is this, which has animal print. Who is this by? I'll tell you. No, I'd have to go back to my order and then put a link so you can see it. But I love the animal print. That was awesome. And then we've got some glitter, plain black, lovely glittery silver colour, and another great set. I'm not using that, great though it would look on both the white and the black, for the simple reason that my design, as you saw, is just letters, and it's kind of going to be wasted because I've not got a main image. So that's why I've gone for plain colours. Get my design loaded.